Hey guys, welcome back to Dakota Danger 7, and today I'm going to be doing a vinyl unboxing, which is something I haven't done in a while, and I haven't posted a video in a while either, so let's get into it. I'm going to be unboxing 1989 Taylor's version, the Seafoam Green, I believe it's called, vinyl, and I actually pre-ordered this before the album came out, got it for Christmas, and I just haven't had the time to unbox it yet, but I'm going to do it now, so then I can finally listen to the album. And you might hear Lexi in the background too. Okay. And I just love the background on this one. The backside. How she's eating the ice cream. I think that's pretty cool. And also, I just thought the color of vinyl is really cool too. How it's seafoam green. There you have that. And then you have the confetti, of course, too. So yeah, this came from her direct website. I don't know if they sold this one at Target or anywhere else, but that's where this came from. I don't know, maybe I'll save that, I'm not sure. So here you have the record, and yeah, confetti right there. Okay, time to open it up. And I don't remember what the inside of it looks like, if I even saw anything back in October. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I like the Frisbee moment. I like playing Frisbee. Cool, a Polaroid vibe. So we have this with the lyrics. I think this is pretty cool. I love the artwork she does in her albums. Vinyl specifically. How much detail goes into everything. It's really nice. And I really like the style of the album too. You have the super long prologue. And let's see the green color. It's kind of stuck. But, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. It reminds me of like mint green ice cream. It looks pretty cool. So yeah, this is disc 1, side B, disc 1, side A. It looks like a great vinyl. I do love this color. I'm so glad I got this one. The other colors for 1989 were pretty awesome too. Oh yeah, am I putting this in right? I feel like B would be on this side. Yeah, like I think the original cover for 1999 Taylor's version is also pretty cool. I like that one too. The blue looked good. I think all the colors looked good. The yellow wasn't my favorite, but this is just one I picked. Like if I did buy another one, it'd probably be the blue. I don't even know if they sell the pink and the yellow anymore. Okay, and then here's the other side. Still like dancing, posing. And this one more simple, but still cool. My favorite vault track is Now That We Don't Talk, and then Is It Over Now? And I guess I'll take this one out too. Not very necessary. But yeah, here's the other side. Disc 2, side A. Disc 2, side B. So yeah. This vinyl looks awesome. Yeah, I really do think this is like a beautiful vinyl, and I just think this is so cool. No. The photos are awesome. The color scheme is awesome. The music is pretty good too. Well, 1989 is the first Taylor Swift album I started listening to. So like it has gotten kind of old over the years. Like I listen to the same song over and over, and I don't really want to listen to it that much anymore. But it's a really good album. And I do love the Vault songs also. Oh my gosh, there's like coffee on this. I'm so dumb. But yeah, there you have it. The 1989 Taylor's version unboxing. And I might post clips on my channel of like me actually playing the vinyl. Maybe I'll add one at the end of this, but thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I make more videos soon. And I have more vinyls to unbox that I got for Christmas. I have Speak Now Taylor's version. I have the Beetlejuice soundtrack. I have Fearless Taylor's version, which I already listened to. And then I also do have Gracie Abrams Deluxe Good Riddance clear vinyl, which all these vinyls to unbox. I can't wait to unbox them and listen to them finally. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out, my dudes.